in Aurora Black Pearl. This 2022 Kia Forte sedan maintains an impressive rating on Kelley Blue Book for its incredible gas mileage. Reviewers love its 39 miles per gallon highway rating, the large 8-inch screen, and the acceleration that puts you back in your seat. And the best part is, you'll get what everyone loves for a great value at Hill Country Honda. With one owner, no accidents, regular maintenance, and very low miles, there's a lot to be excited about. We offer flexible financing options in the Hill Country Honda Advantage package that is sure to impress. Give us a call at 210-457-5555 to learn how you could put this car in your driveway by this weekend. Or visit us at 7338 West Loop 1604 North, San Antonio, and Alamo Ranch near SeaWorld. We welcome surprise visits and are ready to handle all the paperwork. You'll love your Kia Forte. Leave the rest to us. See you soon. Get more on 1604 at Hill Country Honda.